says about Allah was a brachos. If we make a vegetable soup and we are tasting the soup without the vegetables during cooking, should we make Haadamah on the soup?
Yes. Yeah. So this broth, it's like it's a secondary to the vegetables. So it's water. So what makes this water special? The vegetables. So vegetable is the primary. So and for sure the water and the broth, right? The vegetable broth and the vegetable. It's one dish and it is a mixture. So if it is a mixture, for sure it's a mixture. So you say one blessing. Blessing what on vegetables? Yes, that's correct.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. And just to add, so even the vegetables, so we all understand the vegetables are minority. It's not, we're not going to majority. We go by what is important. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.